That's nice.
You have to use these bracelets to get in, Daddy. You got to use those.
You got that?
Yeah. You can look around.
Oh, that's nice.
Come on in.
It's beautiful. You want those and all that stuff?
Yeah.
Wow, what a time you had.
Here, I'll put your stuff where we'll remember it.
Right there. What am I going to put my...
We'll put all your stuff right here.
Yeah. Okay.
Come on out, Dad. Who is that? She said, come here, Daddy. He's like, she doesn't, he keeps saying that. Dave, stop, just go in. Dave, go inside from it. Or right here. Hope, come here. He's playing hide and seek with Hope. No. Come hide over here from it. Oh no, that's just the beach part, Daddy.
Oh. This all theirs?
Yeah.
You don't want a picture.
She doesn't get it. Who is this, Daddy?
Oh my goodness, Chrissy! For goodness sake! Don't do that to me! How are you? God bless you. When did you pick her up? On the way down?
I flew.
You flew nothing. You flew down? I thought maybe they'd jumped over something.
No, I flew here.
Oh, great. That's very nice.
He kept saying, who's that on your porch? And then when he came out here, he wouldn't look because he thought you were a stranger. You need some sunblock. You're getting red, Chrissy.
Chrissy, how do you feel?
Good.
Good. I should have called you last night.
Oh no, this was a surprise.
I was thinking of calling and then it'd get late. We were over at the Japanese steakhouse. And it was 9 o'clock before we got back at 9:30.
How was your dinner?
I had never had a dinner like it was all Japanese fire on the grill.
Oh, that's neat.
Yeah, I had a lobster.
Oh, wow.
And steak, filet mignon.
Ooh.
Filet mignon.
That's good.
I asked Jeff over, I said, I never had filet mignon. I thought that was different from a steak.
Yeah, it's a lot more
The
tender.
steak was more expensive than the filet mignon.